Am I the only one that didn't know these superfoods could make such a difference? Let's get into it. First up, we have blueberries. These tiny berries pack a punch with antioxidants that fight off free radicals. Say goodbye to afternoon slumps. Next, let's talk about spinach. Popeye was onto something. Packed with iron and vitamins, it's a powerhouse for muscle recovery. Third on our list is quinoa. This grain is your new best friend, offering complete protein and all 9 essential amino acids. Perfect for those post-workout meals. Fourth, avocados. Healthy fats, fiber, and more potassium than a banana. Your heart will thank you. Lastly, we can't forget about chia seeds. These little guys are loaded with omega-3s, fiber and protein. Sprinkle them on anything for an instant health boost. So there you have it, folks. 5 superfoods to fuel your fitness journey. Ready to add them to your diet? Your body will thank you.